Hey guys, your girl here, Coach Tanisha Marie. So I just want to give you guys a quick understanding of business funding, corporate credit, and understanding how you need to position yourself. With all that's going on right now and this administration, they're cutting things left and right. There's no better time than now to get yourself in position to be able to scale, launch, and grow your business. Okay, I've been helping people fix their credit, restore their credit, build credit for over 10 years. Business funding, business credit, corporate credit, guys, is the wealth hack. Okay, when you have business funding, it allows you, right? First of all, when you have money, it allows you to think differently. When you have money, it allows you to move differently. Okay? It allows you to think differently, but it also allows you to move differently. Okay? If I can help you get 50,000, if I can help you get 30,000, if I can help you get 80, $1,000, that will help you in your business, whether you have a brick and mortar, whether you have a click to order, whether you have a tutoring business, education business, real estate business, a restaurant, you have a food truck, you're a content creator, you need money. We need money. You can't get around that. You need money. You need money, right? So instead of trying to just live check to check to check to check to try to pay for things in your business, get your credit together, your personal credit. Your personal credit needs to be at least 680 initially to start applying for the business funding. Now, you don't need a 680 score to apply for corporate credit. Corporate credit is the Staples, the Uline, the Quill, the Home Depot, the Lowe's, all those business accounts. You can go apply for those now, and it could be a net 30, it could be a net 60. Basically, you're just paying back whatever you use within 30 days, right? And those are limited, so probably $5,000-$10,000, a limit you can get at Staples or something like that. But you're gonna need these things because you're gonna need this stuff. You're gonna need, materials and office supplies and all that stuff for your business, right? So with the business funding, right, that's when you can go to the bank or you can go to a lender and they can give you 0% interest for 2-3 years. And then now you can get up to 100 grand, 200 grand, 500 grand, 10 million. You can get up to $10 million, okay? But your personal credit got to be right. At least a 680. If you have a 680 score, okay, you have a 680 score, right? I can show you how you can start positioning yourself to get $50,000, $100,000 in business funding, lines of credit. So it's not a loan. So if I can help you get 80 grand, whatever you use out of that 80 grand, that's what you pay back. It's not a loan. So a loan is you'll get a $80,000 loan, right? And then you got to pay that whole loan back, right? So that's different, right? And we also do loans, but I like the lines of credit because whatever you use is just what you're going to pay back, right? And if you don't have a 680 score, you have anything less than a 680, then I have a program, right, where you can join to learn how to restore, build, right? And fix your credit, right? Start deleting stuff off. Maybe you may need some trade lines and things of that nature. So we can help, right? Unfortunately, we're scared of money. We're scared of success. We're scared to spend money on the things that's going to help us. But we'll spend money on Louis Vuitton. We'll spend $1,000 on a Gucci belt. We'll spend, $1,000 on a wig. It's crazy. We'll spend $5,000 on our teeth, but we won't spend money on something that's going to help us to elevate. Unfortunately, Black people, all we want to do is look rich. We want to look successful without actually being rich and being successful. But the real wealth hack, guys, is business funding. You can get unlimited business funding to grow your business as big and as large as you want your business to grow. You can't live check to check trying to grow a business. You can't grant your business to death. Now you can apply for grants, but grants take forever, 6 months to a year, right? People say, oh, they don't want debt, but having business funding is good debt for your business. So go to jointanishamarie.com. You can either join my team or you can watch the free webinar on how the business funding works. And if you don't have a business, maybe you want to start a business and you have some business ideas, and we can help you with that too. Okay, so make sure you guys follow me on all platforms at Coach Tanisha Marie. See you guys soon.